How to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to change the wallpaper on your iPhone, then it is a super easy process. First of all, from your home screen, open up the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Inside the Wallpaper tab, you'll be able to see several different wallpapers that you previously used. If you want to pick from one of them, you can select any one and tap on Set as Current at the top. Now if you go back, you'll be able to see your wallpaper changed from the home screen. If you want to create or add a new wallpaper on this list, simply tap on Add New Wallpaper in blue at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and select from the category at the top. You'll see different options such as photos, weathers and astronomy, colors, etc. You can also see the featured wallpaper from the bottom of the screen, which you can quickly pick. Select any one category. I'm just going to select this weather option over here at the top right. And once done, you'll be able to adjust the font color, font size, add widgets, locate the widgets where you want it to appear in the screen. I'm just going to put it at the bottom. Now, finally, after you are done, if you're happy with the wallpaper, click on Add at the top right. And now you'll need to choose whether you'd like to set as wallpaper pair, which means both lock and home screen for this specific wallpaper, or you can also customize the home screen. Choose the color palettes if you want to customize the home screen. You can also use blur effect, add a photo in it, or if you want both of the home screen and the lock screen to be same, you can go ahead and choose set as wallpaper pair option. So finally, after you are done, you have selected the new wallpaper as your current wallpaper. You'll be able to see it at the top, and now you can head back to your home screen and you'll be able to change your wallpaper right away. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.